ruler. I've got this ruler today. I've got some quarters. I got some pennies. Okay. And if I can find them, I got some paper clips somewheres. All right, we don't have to use paper clips though. I had them out and I don't know what I've done with them. All right. So I'm going to be measuring some things and asking you all some questions, okay? All right, here we go. So you don't have to have all this materials. You just listen and watch, okay? So I've got this screwdriver, okay? And I'm going to take some pennies. I'm going to measure it. All right, and I'm going to say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to say it's about 7 pennies. Okay? Can somebody touch their nose and tell me why I didn't put centimeters? Why did I not put centimeters? Why did I put pennies? Why didn't I put centimeters? Everything we've measured so far has been meters or centimeters, and I put pennies. The only person I see can see touching their nose is Callie. So, Callie, unmute and tell me.
Because the pennies are a little bit bigger than centimeters, and they're not centimeters.
The main thing is they're not centimeters, are they? I didn't use my centimeter squares. Okay, I used pennies, so I can't put centimeters here. I didn't use centimeters, did I? I have to use the unit of measurement that I used. The unit of measurement that I used was pennies. Okay, all right. So I have to put pennies. Okay, I can't put centimeters because I didn't use them. Okay, so I'm just going to put down here, I'm going to write here about 7 pennies. All right, now I'm going to do the same thing on top with quarters. So there's 1 quarter, there's 2 quarters, 3 quarters, 4 quarters, 5 quarters, and there's the 6th quarter. Okay, and it's pretty close to half, so I'm going to say it's about 6 quarters. Okay, does everybody agree? Yeah, all right. But whoa, wait a minute. This one was 7, that one's 6. How could it be different? How could it be different? If you think you might know, put your hand on your head. Maverick. Oh, you gotta bring your microphone. There you go.
Because the quarters are bigger than the pennies.
Oh, so when I look here, I take a quarter and I put a penny on top of it. Oh, that quarter is just a little bit bigger, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. Right? So I'm going to say that my unit of measurement changed, didn't it? Okay. I'm using quarters as my unit of measurement on top. On the bottom, I'm using pennies. The pennies are a little bit smaller than my quarters. Okay. So it took 1 more penny to be the same distance, didn't it? Okay. All right. Good job. All right. So I'm going to erase that. Okay. Now I'm going to take the Smokey the Bear ruler that I've been using. I'm going to put it right here. Okay? And I look, and it says that the screwdriver ends right after 13, but it's not close enough to 14. So I'm going to say that it is 13 centimeters long, but it's about, because it sticks over just a little bit. Okay? So it's about 13. Okay? I'm going to take a different ruler. Okay? And on this one, the centimeters are on this side, so I'm going to go like this. Okay? There. And it may be hard for y'all to see, but right here's the end of it, and it says it says pretty close to what the other one said, 13. So both rulers say 13 centimeters. Well, a minute ago when I used two different things, it gave me two different numbers. This time when I use two different things, it gave me the same number. Why? Why would I come up with the same number this time and the last time I didn't? And Jaden, I can only see your top of your head again. But there you go. I can see you a little bit now. Okay. Why are both measurements the same? I used two different things, but why are they the same? Oh, we can't let this all be the Callie show. We got to help her. Who can help Callie? Jaden, can you help me? No? Maverick?
One second.
All right. Maverick, I can hear you, but I can't see you now. Lorna, can you help? Maverick, I can see you now. Did you want to tell me something?
I was just going to turn the lights on.
Oh, okay. Gracie, can you help me? Is there a reason why before when I used a quarter and a penny, I come up with two different numbers? This time I use two different rulers and I come up with the exact same number. Why? Why would that be? Addison, you know? Gracie can tell me something. Gracie?
Because they're not the same size.
What's not the same size?
The pennies.
The penny and the quarter wasn't the same size. What about these rulers? Are they the same size? Oh, they are? Let's see here. This side is centimeters, and that side, I'm using the same unit of measurement, aren't I? Is that why the number come up the same? Yeah, exactly. Good job, Gracie. All right, so, I'm going to do a little magic. You want to see my magic? All right. So, I'm gonna hold this up, okay? And I'm gonna make my screwdriver shorter. Boom. Okay. It goes right there now. How did I do that? Maddox?
I wasn't really raising our hands.
Oh, you wasn't really raising your hand. Oh, okay. Addison.
I saw the screwdriver in the top corner.
Oh, when I'm trying to move out of the way?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh man. Okay, so I have two screwdrivers. I do. Hey, right there they are. Hey, so Maverick figured me out. All right, so I'm gonna move this stuff out of the way. Erase this. Okay. All right. So this time we're gonna use two screwdrivers. One smaller than the other one. All right. Okay. And I'm going to make sure they're lined up. I'm going to put this and put it there so they're lined up. Okay. I'm going to use this ruler down here because we've said that these two rulers measure the same, right? Okay. So I'm going to put this ruler down here. Okay. And it tells me that this screwdriver, it's not hardly at the half yet, so I'm going to say it's 10. Okay. So I'm going to write it's about 10 pennies. Is that all right? All right, Maverick, give me the thumbs up. Everybody agree? Lorna, I can see Lorna's thumb up. Gracie shook her head. Yeah, Callie, you agree? You do agree. All right. So these are pennies, right? Uh-oh. They're not? Oh. What should I write here then?
Centimeters.
Oh, centimeters. See, I tricked you all. Oh my goodness, I tricked everybody. Oh my goodness. It's centimeters. All right. Remember, we have to use the right unit of measurement. Okay. And I want to use my other ruler on top. Okay. And we already knew it. That one was 13 because we measured it earlier. Okay. So this one's about 13 centimeters. Okay. So my question is, how much shorter is screwdriver A? And we'll label this one B. How much shorter is screwdriver A than B? Okay? I want somebody to tell me how I'm going to figure that out. Don't just tell me the answer. Tell me how you figure out the answer. How would you figure out the answer? Gracie, you know? Tell me.
You subtract.
I subtract what? Subtract some cows and pigs?
A and B.
Oh, so I go A minus B? No? What? Help me fix it. Which one's bigger?
B.
B. All right. And how much is B? Is it 10 or 13?
13.
13. Okay, remember when we subtract, we have to pick the big number first, right? So 10 and 13, 13's bigger, right? So I'm going to say 13. Okay. And then I'm going to do what?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. All right. And that equals, I don't know right now. Now, I know you might know, but let's pretend we don't know. Okay. All right. So, how far away is 13 from 10?
Three more.
It's 3 more than 10, isn't it? Okay. So, did we just kind of figure out our answer? Yeah. 3 pennies, right? Put your thumb up if you say the answer is 3 pennies. Thumb up if, all right, Maverick agrees with me. There you go, buddy. I got a friend here. What about anybody else? Lorna, I can just barely see you. You got a thumb up or not? Callie's got a thumb down. Oh, my goodness. What's going on there? Callie, what's going on? Gracie's got a thumb down now.
It's not pennies, it's centimeters.
Oh. There we go. We got to make sure our unit of measurement stays the same. I can't change centimeters to pennies, can I? No, not in the middle of a problem, at least. Okay. All right. So, everybody agree with it now? Yeah. Okay. Good. What if I said I want to know how long both screwdrivers are together? How long are they together? How long are they together? What would I have to do? Maddox.
Put them together?
I put them together. So like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of, wouldn't it? Okay. And then I can move this down to here and say it's about 13 centimeters. So let's see, I'm going to rewrite this down here, right there. And so from here all the way to there is about 13. From here all the way to there is about 10. Hey, everybody agree so far?
But if you put them together, they're not 13.
Oh, what are they?
It's 23.
Oh, how'd you get 23?
Because you just, there's a 10, take 10 from the 13, 23 more left, add 3 to the 20, and that equals 23.
All right, so I'm going to take and add these together. I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to say it's 23. What if I decided to do it like this?
It's the same thing.
Oh, it's the same. Oh, I don't know. Can you see that?
You just switched them around.
I just switched them around. You can see that?
Yeah, because
you
put the 13 in front.
All right, I didn't know if you could see that. My camera's, let me scoot it down just a little bit. All right. What if I wrote it like this? Would you be all right with that?
Well, it's kind of the same.
It is kind of the same, isn't it? I just kind of moved it around again, right? And put the answer in front. Yeah. Hey? Or that means that I could do this then. Right? Yeah, it's kind of the same, isn't it? Hey? So the answer doesn't have to always come on the right. Sometimes it's on the left. Hey? Sometimes I want to switch that up on you just so you all can see that. Okay? All right. Any questions about what we did? No? No questions?
You mean you?
Yeah, you can mute now. All right. So, what if I wanted to take these Unifix cubes here and these Unifix cubes here, okay? And I was going to go back and use my quarters and say, well, let's just, yeah, we'll do this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's almost exact. So that's 4. And here, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And there's a little bit more, but it's not really that much more. So I'm going to say 5. All right. So this one's about 4 quarters. And this one's about 5 pennies. And I say, all right, I know that I'm supposed to put the biggest number on first. I'll go 5 minus 4 equals 1, and it's 1 centimeter. What do y'all think about that? I measured the top one with quarters, the bottom one with pennies. Okay, I know that my biggest number is 5, so I put it first, and I subtract what I know, and I come up with 1. Would y'all be good with that? See, Callie looks like her thumb's down. I don't know. She give me a head shake like no. I don't know. And now Gracie's a no. Maddox at first said, I think, yeah, but now he's really looking at it now, it looks like. Jaden, what do you think? You think down too? Maverick? Down? Lorna? I think Lorna's asleep. Oh, there's down. And Addison, I can't see Addison right now. Oh, she's down too. Oh my goodness. Maverick, you changed? Oh my goodness. Let's see here. Jaden, why do you think that's a thumbs down?
I forgot.
You forgot? Is that what you said?
Mm-hmm.
Think about it for a second. Why is it you're saying this is no good? Something's wrong here. Hey, what's wrong? Lorna, you see anything wrong? Lorna, are you asleep? I can just barely see you.
No.
All right. Do you see anything wrong?
I'm looking at there's like I keep on falling asleep because I'm tired.
Oh, okay. Well, it's almost the weekend. Not quite yet, so. All right, Maddox, what do you think?
Supposed to use centimeters.
I did use centimeters, see?
They're pennies.
Huh?
There's pennies right there.
But right here, centimeter. Uh-oh. I didn't want to do that. I clicked the wrong thing. All right. I use centimeters right there, buddy.
Yeah, but you use pennies and quarters to measure it.
Yeah, that's all I had at the moment. That was the quickest thing.
Oh,
So is that all right?
I guess.
You mean you guess? Oh, no. Can't just guess. All right, Callie, what do you think?
If you put 1 centimeter to measure that, it's not gonna get the full thing.
So, all right, so I can't put, all right, so I'm going to change centimeters. Y'all convinced me I shouldn't have put centimeters. I'm going to say pennies.
No.
Huh?
You don't put 1 penny, it won't get.
But it is 1 penny more. Or is there still something wrong? Callie, you still think there's something wrong? Something just doesn't seem right, does it? There you go. You can't really put your finger on it right at the moment, but it looks a little funny, don't it? Exactly. All right. So, Maverick, why does it look funny? I put your mic down so I can hear you.
Well, the pennies.
What about the pennies? You don't like pennies?
Throwing me off.
The pennies are throwing you off. Oh. What about the pennies?
So you use centimeters with the 5 minus 4 and that. But with the measurements over here, you use pennies.
I use pennies here, and then on top I use quarters, It's still 5 and 4, still 5 and 4, and it's 1 penny more, right? Okay, so what's wrong? Does it still look wrong to you? You just can't figure it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. That's good. That's all right. That's where Callie was. All right. Gracie, what do you think? You can't help me out? Oh, man. Jaden, can you help me out? No? Lorna? No? All right. It's left up to Maddox and Addison. I can't see Addison right now. Maddox, can you help me out? Everybody else says that something's a little up here. Something's kind of fishy. It doesn't look right. Hey?
Well, they don't look in order for some reason.
Well, I can do something like that maybe. Hey? That help?
Now it's more tripping me off.
Oh, well, Addison, what do you think? Addison, can you help me? No? Alright, so when we did the screwdrivers, alright, what unit of measurement did I use? Oh, you can't see it. Alright, we did the screwdrivers. What unit of measurement did we use? Did we use quarters, pennies, or all centimeters? Callie?
You used centimeters and pennies and quarters.
Well, but when I actually did the subtraction of 13, this one was 13 centimeters, this one's 10 centimeters. When I actually did that, it was all centimeters, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Look at my units. Are they all the same? Uh-oh, look at this, quarters. I didn't use the same unit of measurement for all of them, did I? Look, if I get rid of the quarters and I just go to pennies, I get 5 pennies, and I don't have to subtract because they're exactly the same, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, look. Oh my goodness, they was always the same, wasn't they? Yeah. So when I'm measuring, I have to use the same unit. Okay.